How to add a logo to your images using NanoBanana.AI. In this video, I'll show you how to add a logo to your images using NanoBanana.AI. So let's get it started. First things first, open up the NanoBanana.AI website. And I'm already inside it. This is the original website of the NanoBanana.AI, so don't be confused with the fake ones. Now, once inside the NanoBanana.ai website, scroll down and go to AI editor section, and this is the AI editor section. Now you can choose either image to image or text to image for adding a logo, but I'll be recommending you image to image. It's already on image to image, so I'm not going to do anything with it. Now simply scroll down and there you can see a reference image section, and just under it you'll be seeing a plus icon with add image. Simply tap on it and select the photo you want to add the logo. For example, I want to add a logo to this photo right over here. Tap on it, then tap on done. When it's uploading, simply tap on this main prompt. I had written this prompt for the previous image. Let's cut it out and write a new prompt. And here in the prompt section, describe how and where you want the logo to be placed. For example, add my logo in the bottom right corner, semi-transparent, or place the logo at the top left corner without covering the important part of the images. Problem here could be that it can only take the reference of the logo which are popular. For example, Coca-Cola or the brand that is very popular, but the logo of the brand is not that popular. What I have to do is again simply tap on this add image right over here. But for example, let's keep it Coca-Cola, but it's very famous, but I'm just keeping it for reference. Tap on it, then tap on done again. So we do have two reference photos right over here. So now in the prompt section, what I have to write is I have given you the reference of the logo and the picture of the product in which I want the logo to be, and then after it just write where you want the logo to be. For example, let's keep it at the reference logo and the picture of dress in top left corner, like this. And once I have finished writing the prompt, simply tap on generate now, just like this. Then NanoBanana.ai will process your request and add the logo to your image. I'm using the free version of the NanoBanana.ai, so I do have limited credits. That's why I will not be able to show you the result, but that's the process. I hope you are very clear about the process that you have to do in order to add the logo in the image by using the NanoBanana.ai. So if you have a sufficient credit, you will be seeing your product right over here in the output gallery section. After you see it, simply preview it, then download your image with the logo applied. And that's it. Adding a logo in NanoBanana.ai is simple and fast. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amusing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.